Give her a Cheerio. Yeah. Okay, ready? What else do we do?
Oh!
Yeah.
She
Okay,
did!
here. We'll make her pretty. Pretty. Give her a Cheerio. We'll go. Bang! Bang! Alright, give her a Cheerio. Okay, what do we want to do? Should we make her 5? 5. Oh yeah, 5. Give her a Cheerio. Here, 5. 5. Oh, there she gave you a 5. Here, put your hand down. Sit, Izzy. Sit. Sit. Say, shake. Grandma, shake. Shake. Yeah. Okay. What now? Roll over again? Roll over. Right in there again. Right in there. Okay, give her a shake.
That's a vein.
Yeah. Should we make her dance? Yeah. Dance. Okay, give her a Cheerio.
Dance again.
Dance again?
Can I give her a Cheerio?
Dance.
Can I give her a Cheerio?
Yep, give her a Cheerio.